Let's keep going until Kervan.
Yeah.
51, let me check it.
This is 51, they're ready for summer.
Number 51.
Berlin. People from Berlin.
Berlin. So anyone from Germany?
Yeah, they're renovating inside.
Ah, they're still working on it. Look at that. Kolay gelsin. Wow, look at this beautiful flower garden they're making on the wall. Very nice.
Such a place, yeah?
Wow, look at this beautiful wall. Such a nice design, yeah, for the restaurant. This is gonna be such a wonderful place. Wow, look at this. The tree here. It's going to be very, very nice. Can you ask when they are open? They will open after Ramadan. Yeah. Yeah, I just want to show this nice fresque that they put in their window. It's beautiful, right? It's a nice fresque. Like the style that they have is like this flower garden, you know. It's very nice. Kolay gelsin.
Yeah, she knows us.
Oh, very nice. Nice to meet
you.
you.
When you open the restaurant?
Efendim?
Ne zaman açıyorsunuz?
Pazartesi günü açmaya.
Sonra zaten şey olacak. Ama hazırsınız değil mi sezona? Yaz kış açacağım bir mekan da olabilir. They plan to open winter and summer when everything becomes normal.
Oh,
So
very
you
nice.
came from Berlin too? Yeah, she's from Berlin.
Your name is Sema?
Esma.
Esma.
Ah, okay. Somebody says
So you are the
hi.
owner or manager? Are you the owner? Sahibi? I'm manager.
Sahibi.
Yeah, together.
Oh, very nice.
Good.
We will come visit when you
So it's gonna be
open.
like a restaurant and bar, yeah?
Yes, cafe, bar, restaurant.
Very good, very good. You will come when you guys open, okay?
Okay.
See you.
Thank you. Bye bye. What a wonderful place. I want to come here. I'm just waiting. Now, these 5 weeks
You
of.
see, everybody knows us.
Yeah, it's nice. 5 weeks of waiting for the restaurants to be open again. That's quite a long time. Oh, I hope that happens soon. Now we are passing by a bank. What's the name of this bank again? Halk Bank. And they did renovate another place a little bit more far. I'll show you where another bank came. So these are two coffee shops. One is a coffee shop, the Hand Cafe, which is dog friendly. That's a very, very good coffee here, and dog friendly is a nice thing. So you can bring your dog with you and enjoy the coffee. So when you're dog walking, that's the perfect end spot before you turn around. And then the Port Cafe is another popular one. That's where we will do our meetup in September. We really like this place. We come here a lot. Just a convenient location, very nice owner.
Drink beer or coffee.
Yeah, beautiful
They
design.
have food too.
Yeah. It's like they have a full menu, and it's a really nice place.
Our favorite, one of our favorite.
Yeah, I'm not sure why they're closed today.
Yeah, today is last day.
Yeah, today's
So
last
they
day.
close it.
That's right.
They have pool tables, very nice pool tables here. We made video for that.
Yeah, he put now pool tables there. He didn't have before.
Yes, look at this. I took a picture yesterday.
Yeah,
We
so
posted after rain.
if you saw the afternoon picture with the rainy, that was right next to Surtel
I'll
Hotel.
show a little bit. Nice, yeah?
Look
Blue,
at this, like
yellow, green.
look at the color they chose. You know, it's just like, you know, these cedar shreddings.
Like
I don't know how
Canada
they're
right
called.
now.
Like in Canada.
Look at these ones.
But
Mulch.
they're
We remember
blue.
mulch in Canada?
And white rocks. That's the mulch. Mulch. Yeah.
Oh, big ones. They never do like this in Canada. This different style here.
Big mulches.
Looks interesting.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Because with time they will be pieces anyway.
But looks beautiful. Look at this. So now the whole area became really, really nice. And this is right next to
Such a
Surtel Hotel. Yeah.
This road become more wider now. You notice? More people gonna attract to come inside, and nice coffee shops there, little coffee shops. Local people hang out.
Yeah. It's a very nice
Barber
place now.
shops there if you want barber. Fishing necessaries.
Now we are next to Kuşadası Hill. So see, this is what I meant, like there was a bank here, Yapı Kredi, and there's another one that came, Vakit Bank is the new one. It just like opened a month ago. And we are now right next to the downtown bazaar area. Like if you go in the middle of these streets in between, there are all these cute little shops and cute little coffee shops. So this is an area for you to discover. We can do a video on that some other time. So if you just go in there and then you find all these nice little gifts that you can bring home, and then just like completely different atmosphere there between the houses, because it's like the old town of Kuşadası, all the old buildings. Also nice Instagram photos you can take there. Oh, look at these luggages he has on his bike.
Yeah, looks like police car, police bike.
Yeah. Maybe it is.
You know, I think he goes far away distance. Let me check license plate. Oh, he's from Aydın area, this area. But I think he travels around.
I'm excited about motorcycles. I think they came together, the two of them, because they are looking similar.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Leather shop. So this nice tall building is all of it is inside a leather shop, but it's been closed, and they're not operating right now. Well, obviously, because of the season, they have such a prime location, but they cannot be open. So it's very disappointing. It's impossible to keep the business, you know, that was mainly for foreigners, you know, and now it's just. This whole building is not being used in such a prime location. So here is a very nice taxi stop. Why it's very nice? Because I like this new taxi style. The shop looks like, they say taxi on the side, so it's Can Taxi. They have nice new cars. It's a good one. Who is this guy, really?
Yeah, this is one of the important guys.
Oh, one of the leading actors of Turkish Revolution. Oh yeah, he finished law faculty and fought with the enemy. All right, so this is important guy in the revolution. So probably
he
was
had a
hiding in
nice
the
house.
forests.
He had a nice house, look at this. With chandelier and
So he probably was the leader of these revolutionists.
and this corner of
Look-
Turkey, you know.
Looks
not-
like a smart guy, yeah?
He's local, yeah, Kuşadası. That name of school, this is the first school in Kuşadası, I think.
So it's a
Yeah.
school that is named after
Yeah.
him.
I think it's first one. Very old building, that corner, that one.
Oh, that's very nice.
They have no patience here, you see? The guy goes slow front and he's pushing, go faster. He wants to enjoy the sight, you know? That's why he goes slow. I'm not like that.
Yeah. And the other one is like, come on, go already, go already. Merhaba, kolay gelsin. These are our fans too. Kolay gelsin. They know us, sweetheart. They said hi.
Really?
Yeah. It's nice when people know us to say hi. So if you know us and you see us
I
on the
hope
street,
most of it like us, yeah?
say hi.
If they
Yeah.
don't like us, then banana.
If you don't like us, then just turn away and run.
Yeah.
Don't come closer to the camera to tell us that don't film my face. You should just avoid the camera then if you really don't want to be on camera. According to the regulations, we are allowed to film in the public space just as any other commercial or non-commercial, is allowed. But if it's a private area or the person is doing something privately, then there is a restriction on that.